What the hell?
Oh, that's hella adorable. Feels great. It's just springy, very agile. I get notes of pain and burning.
I'm gonna get all the footage. Good morning, everyone. We're going ziplining today. It's actually very early. It's 10:15. So
Yeah, I'm not used to that.
our day is starting earlier than usual. We made it after a million years, but we're here and look at this. Celeste is ready.
I'm gonna get all the footage.
We just finished ziplining. How was it?
So awesome. Got to go upside down too.
Yeah, it was really, really fun. Now, I'll show you around. This is where we are. We're eating. It's on like a little river. What is that?
I took pictures.
What is that?
What is that thing?
Oh my.
You're actually really cute. What?
Hey, buddy. Aw, squirrel monkey.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Okay, but my question is, what the hell are these things?
Armadillos.
They're so cute.
Oh my god. I touched its tail. Oh my god. So cute. They know. They know they're cute. Yeah, you know. Yeah, you know you're cute. You know you're cute.
Look at it. Oh, that's hella adorable. I want to hold you.
Oh!
Look at him just springing. It's just springing, very agile. It's a huge nutsack. I know peeing.
Oh, it is peeing.
Where? I don't see. Those driplets.
Ah.
They're so nimble.
Ah.
Hey, it was good.
They move so quickly.
Ah.
Oh!
Ah.
Whoa!
River, and then I.
Yes.
Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro,
Al centro.
cuchi cuchi,
Cuchi cuchi.
más cuchi cuchi,
Más cuchi cuchi.
y para adentro.
Para adentro.
Salud.
Salud.
In your nose, out your mouth,
Close your mouth.
and inhale through your nose again.
I get notes of pain and burning.
So we're on the bus back to home.
Yes, we are.
I'm exhausted.
That was so cool.
That was really cool. How was your first time?
Having sex.
Okay. Okay. Wrong first time, guys.
Anyway. It was so cool. It was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
Good. How did you guys like it?
This is great.
It was a great.
I like going upside down.
What are we doing over here, ladies?
Making friendship bracelets.
And how's it going?
It's been pretty hard for me.
Yeah, Celeste was a success. Oh, it's not focusing. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Goes with this very well.
Thanks, man.
We're going to Sohan's birthday dinner in 10 minutes. His birthday's actually tomorrow, on the 4th of July, but we're celebrating it tonight at Fajita Republic.
Smells so good.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my.
It's one of those candles, sorry. Yeah, Becca. Oh, we just finished dinner. Went to Fajita Republic. Currently, me, Nat, and Andrew are looking at different hotels. Shut up. We're looking at different hotels, and Nat wants to take a picture with his Oxy shirt at the Occidental Hotel.
While on Oxy.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Daily pick. Last day with the boys.
Yeah, we're eating some breakfast. Savina made it today.
How is it, guys? Super good.
It's pretty good. We have some leftover tortillas. Ready for the beach? Becca just woke up.
Yeah, 1:15.
I don't understand. What time did you go to bed?
2-ish.
You slept for literally like almost 12 hours.
They were like the first ones in bed.
How is that possible? Good job. You must be so rested now.
Good, I feel good.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Celeste, what are you making?
I'm making a scramble, but it's taking longer because I have to
You're
pick up
sauteing or whatever.
Yeah.
Fancy, fancy. I'll see you guys at the beach.
Okay.
So it's about 2 o'clock. We finally made it to the beach. By we, I mean me. Everyone else is inside. Also, Andrew's getting his hair he's getting cornrows right now. I want to go see, so that's what I'm gonna go do. Spotted. Looking good, my friend. Yeah. How's it hanging?
Hanging good. How's it looking?
Looking splendid. Why aren't you hot?
I'm sweating.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so funny. Look who finished getting his cornrows. Or what are those?
Cornrows.
What are they?
Holy shit.
Looking good. Look who's leaving. A farewell.
Of course, Nat is in the front. Thank God.
Them all. Fucking suck all those fucking.
Goodbye.
Bye forever.
Yeah, thank God. Them catch it.
Oh, we can finally have fun.
Attention, everyone.
Hello.
There's been an alligator
There's-
spotting.
Yep. That's why there's no one in the water. They
Yeah.
kicked everyone out. Everyone with the white shirts and the whistles.
All over there.
So,
See them?
yes.
There's one.
There's. Oh my God! Someone's going in the water.
He's gonna get yelled at.
Yeah, he's yelling at him.
Watch him like go under.
What the hell?
Watch him fall and then go under. And his scream's gonna be muffled by the water.
Okay. Update. I left my camera in the hotel room again.
Once again.
But there's a really pretty sunset.
Saw 2 crocodiles. Me and Anton.
You saw them?
They just popped their head above the water. As if we didn't see their actual whole body.
That's so funny.
Seymour
really
talked
pretty.
to the guy and like he was like, yeah, I was right next to me and like I was holding my kid and he was like freaked out.
There were crocodiles somewhere over there today. This is the pool from up above. So, I've been a little inconsistent with my filming. There's some clips that have been on the camera and some on my phone, but it's alright. At least I have them. Me and Savina are watching some TV.
Yeah, we're trying to find things in English.
It's impossible.
Not successful.
Not at all.
Fuck.